Hi guys, my name's Willow. Oh, so nice being outdoors. Oh, take a deep breath in. Chew! Oh, that came out wrong. Back to what I was saying. I hope you can come and learn with us at the Cozy Forest Academy. That'd be real nice to see you. Okay, guys. Bye now. Bye.